Hey Eleanor, this is Tracy, and I want to say thank you for your presentation. Um, I am doing the Oreo feedback for this module, and for your presentation, first off, I loved your slide template. I don't know how you got that one on. I think you just used Google Slides, but that's super cute, so I would love to know how you found that. It was just visually appealing with the colors and the graphics of the kids. So yeah, that was fun. I enjoyed that. I also liked your table of contents and the colors that you used for the different categories that you were going to talk about. Such a brilliant idea for color coding, so I really enjoyed that in your presentation. For my learning, I would say you talked about the components of assessment, the four components, and then you thoroughly shared about those and what that would look like. But you also just talked about the purpose of assessment and education. You talked more about that, and that's something that you said to share with students, to share and discuss the purpose of what we're doing. And sometimes we can get in a hurry and forget to tell them why and why it's important. And so, yeah, I loved that part of your presentation. Thanks for that. A good reminder. For your video feedback, you did a great job with your presentation. I always like listening to your videos and just learning from you. You're very clear and to the point, and I think that's a really great trait to have as an educational leader. So again, this is good practice for us as educators to give constructive feedback, especially with virtual learning, just that we are online more. And yeah, helping each other kind of walk alongside of each other and learn as we go. So thanks, Eleanor.